Hi guys, welcome back to Jibril Enterprise. We are committed to providing farmers with high quality planting materials and practical agricultural knowledge that support sustainable production. In tropical Africa, Gongronema Latifolium, also known as Utazi in Nigerian language, is valued not only as a nutritious leafy vegetable, but also as an important medicinal plant with increasing commercial demand. While Gongronema can be grown from seeds, stem cutting propagation offers a faster and more reliable method, preserving the exact characteristics of the mother plant and ensuring uniform growth. In this video, we take you through a professional approach to propagating Utazi using stem cuttings, from selecting healthy vines to promoting strong root development and successful field establishment. The first step is selecting the healthy mother plant, matured but not over woody. Using clean, sharp pruning tools, cut sections of the vine measuring approximately 15 to 20 centimeters in length. Each length should contain at least 2 to 3 nodes. A well-drained fertile medium is essential for root formation. Hence, mixture of topsoil, washed river sand, organic compost, or well-decomposed manure are recommended. After this stage, you can plant them direct into the prepared medium, ensuring at least one node is buried beneath the soil surface. Firm the soil gently around the stem to provide support. Water lightly to settle the soil, but avoid flooding. Place them in a shaded or partial shaded environment. For high survival rate, you can use spray sprout method before transferring them to your nursery bags. These methods have two options. The first option is done by digging a shallow hole of about 3 to 4 centimeters into the prepared soil under shade, not direct sunlight. Gently spread your Utazi cuttings horizontally as shown. Cover them partially with soil and mulch them entirely. Water regularly, but do not flood the soil. Within 1 to 2 weeks, you will start seeing new leaves. New leaves is a positive indicator confirming that rooting has begun. At this stage, you can transfer them to your nursery bags for further growth. The second option is done by creating a slightly shallow channel of about 4 to 5 centimeters into the prepared soil under shade, not direct sunlight. Slightly insert the Utazi cuttings vertically into the prepared channel as shown. Gently close the channel, making sure at least each node of the cuttings is buried. Press the soil gently around them to hold firm. Water regularly, but do not flood them. Within 1 to 2 weeks, you will start seeing new leaves. This means a successful rooting to transfer them into individual nursery bags for further growth. After 3 to 4 weeks, once the roots are strong, you can transplant them to the field. Provide adequate spacing to encourage vine expansion and proper air circulation. Since Gongronema Latifolium is a climbing plant, staking improves growth and leaf yield. At Jibril Enterprise, we supply healthy, disease-free cuttings of Utazi, suitable for commercial farmers and backyard growers. Our cuttings are carefully selected from strong mother plants and has high survival rate. They are fast establishing and vigorous, suitable for tropical cultivation. We ship worldwide, safely packaged to maintain freshness and viability. Follow Jibril Enterprise for more quality planting materials and farming tips. Thank you. Bye bye for now.